Are you getting paid to chat? Stellar is going to give away 2 billion XLM or lumens, and those lumens are valued at $120 million today. Wow, that's pretty incredible. So if you could use some extra change just for chatting, Stellar might be the way to go. So I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. And Stellar is going to give away 2 billion lumens valued at $120 million today. So you'll be able to chat with your friends and get paid to do it. The Stellar Development Foundation and messaging service Keybase announced Monday a 2 billion XLM airdrop, the largest in Stellar's 5-year history, worth $120 million. Over the next 20 months, Keybase users can expect monthly airdrops of 100 million lumens, XLM. XLM is the symbol for the cryptocurrency called lumens. And lumens is a product of the organization, the Stellar Development Foundation. So all you have to do is have an authentic Keybase account, and your XLM will appear in your wallet automatically every month for as long as the airdrop continues, according to a draft blog post shared with CoinDesk. 3 months of airdrops are guaranteed, the company says, with the program's continuation beyond that is dependent on hitting basic success metrics. Dixon said the airdrop is an investment not only in Keybase users, but the kind of projects the company says upholds its vision. Keybase's 300,000 strong user base shares a lot in common with crypto, Dixon said. On Keybase, users send Stellar to different users and phone numbers, including those without a Keybase account, or even make inline bets with friends. A spokesperson says Keybase is adding more features in the coming months, including on and off ramps and lumens or XLM based payment functionality across the web. And then another company that's similar to Keybase is a company called Telegram. Telegram, which claims to serve some 300 million users, plans on launching its hotly anticipated Telegram Open Network, TON, next month. As of now, multiple methods of sending cryptocurrencies already exist on the application as well through independent development. So kind of interesting. Who would have thought that all you had to do is get online, chat with your friends, and you could actually make some money? This is the website for Stellar. This section right here is the section of the website about XLM or Stellar Lumens. And so if you're interested, you can learn more about it just simply by going to stellar.org/lumens or just simply stellar.org. And then this is the website for Keybase, keybase.io. And as you can see here, it's basically a way to securely chat and share with groups, files, and chat for everyone. So communities, families, friends, school, companies, Keybase is for everyone, and it's growing fast. Unlike Slack, it's free and without ads. If your data is in the cloud, it should be encrypted. If you're putting people together, give Keybase a try. So this is not any kind of a paid advertisement. I'm not getting any money for doing this. I just thought the article was interesting and I wanted to share it with all of you guys. So, in conclusion, how can I be of service to you? If you have questions, comments, or want to politely disagree with anything that I've shared, please do so down in the comments. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.